guys, so I am bringing to you guys real quick my favorite last minute gel manicure nails. Listen guys, I live by this philosophy of the Impress manicure nails. 30 nails including 6 accent, no glue needed, literally is as it states there. I'm gonna show you in this video how I remove them. Honestly, I just rip them off. Probably shouldn't, you can soak them in water, whatever, but I just rip them off and it doesn't do my real nails any damage. I do have a lot of acrylic damage, so I like to acrylic, press on, acrylic, press on, acrylic, press on, just because my real nail gets paper thin, and I start to feel like this skin. So my acrylics, I've done acrylic, gel, gel-X, trust me, I've done them all. I still gotta let my real nails breathe, but I'm not gonna walk around looking like this, so I still use the press on. So it's so cool, I love them. They've lasted me 3 weeks. The set that you're about to see me take off has lasted me 3 weeks. So go ahead, stay tuned. I can't wait to show you guys some of my favorites. So here you guys see that I am currently taking the nail off with one of those little wood sticks and taking off the sticky from my real nail. These are super easy to come off. You can either just lift it up yourself from the, not from the tip of the nail, but from like the nail bed, by your cuticle area. If you notice, look, that's all the sticky comes off. You may have to just like find a way to take off the sticky stuff, what I show you guys in just a second. Look how easy that came off. And if you notice, my nail is actually growing a lot. When I first put on the press on, I had so much acrylic damage, and that's where it was super scraped off. And if you notice, between my cuticle and the scraping, all of that is like clean new nail. Here I just grabbed a little, I don't know what it's called in English, alicate. You take off the sticky stuff, put it in the water, and repeat the same action on all the nails that have some glue, the sticky glue left. Remember, I don't put glue on these. These are press on, so they automatically come with their own sticky attached to the nail. I trimmed them a little bit, but right now they were way too moist for me to actually file them down. Continue to take off any extra stickies that you see laying around. All right, and that's it. Just like that, it is done. Look how they look. Obviously, I still have a lot of damage, but again, they look really good, especially for something to last me 3 weeks. This is what the package looks like. These are all the extra nails that I have left after I had these on. Super easy. You get the nail, little peel back, peel it off. Boom, stick it to your nail. Obviously, first measure the size before you actually stick it on. What's up, you guys? So like you saw, I absolutely love using Impress manicure press-on nails because I'm addicted to getting acrylics, and honestly speaking, acrylics damage my nail incredibly. Leaves them paper thin, it leaves them raw. It looks like they were like buffed out, like it's really bad. And if you notice, the Impress actually grows the nail out naturally, like in a good condition. And then I still had like all the old residue from the acrylic set that I had right before I put on Impress. This set that I just showed you lasts me 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks. Today. 3 weeks since I had it on. I did have 2 nails fall off, but I would always just grab the little pack and put it right back on. I absolutely love it. For me, it's been a game changer. It actually helped me on my acrylic journey. So now what I do, whether I do gel-X, acrylics, it still damages my natural nail. So what I'll do is I'll do acrylic for a little bit, take it off, put on my gel Impress press-on nails for like a month, probably 2, and then I'll put acrylic back on. So I still give my real nails time to kind of like just be normal with like a little sticky thing on top, rather than like acrylic and powder and machine and all of that. Also, it's come in so handy. So many of you guys on Instagram literally have tagged me in all the sets that you've bought. It's $8, $7.99, and sometimes you get them like buy one get one free. Sometimes you get it buy one get one 50% off. Sometimes in Ulta you can even use the $3.50 coupon, which allows you to get 2 of them, and you pay like I don't know, $10 for 2. So it's a great deal, honestly, right? Whether you're bargaining, whether you're budgeting, whether you're trying not to get your nails done, or even in this time of like viruses and everything that's going on, you can get your nails done at home. Just press them on, literally. This video is not sponsored, although it should be, because listen, Impress, I've probably sold thousands of dollars of these for you, okay? Besides how much I've spent on my own. But anyways, guys, I'm so excited that I was able to share with you my little journey. A lot of you guys have always asked about my nails, and it's so funny because when I tell you it's press-ons, you're like, no way. And they've lasted me a long time, and you guys know I have really curly hair. So I've washed my hair with them. If one pops off, you have a whole other pack. Like, I can probably get 2 sets out of these. And yeah, it lasted me 3 weeks, $7.99. And I just love it. I absolutely love it. It's come in handy whenever I have. So I had a speaking engagement one time where I literally did not have time to do my nails, and I was letting my natural nail, like I was doing this, letting them breathe, and I was like, I'm not going to show up to a speaking engagement like this. And it was actually to help promote my business, Dare to Create. And I'm like, hell no. I went to the store, literally bought a pack of these at like midnight in Walgreens and put them on, and baby, I was stunning the next day. And guess what? It lasted me like 2 to 3 weeks as well. So same thing with these. I put these on for a speaking engagement. Another set, I do sometimes use the glue on if I'm not sure of these. I try to get them the really shortest length because I don't want them to pop off like I'm talking and blah, and it just flies off. You know what I'm talking about. So I do my best to just get them natural, and it's like a gel manicure. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've tried Impress or you're impressed by the fact that they work this good. And if you've already used them before, let me know your feedback on them. I do hold it 30 seconds. That's probably a big part to why they last so long. And I don't wet my hands for 2 hours, okay, after I put them on. But anyways, I hope you love this video. Please go ahead and give it a big ass thumbs up. And not only that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I bring all things lifestyle, and I'm so excited for all the things that are coming. And if you haven't checked out this hair video and walkthrough, go right now. Go right now. You ain't got nothing else to do, right? Go watch it. Just kidding. Bye, guys. Thanks for tuning in.
I'm a boss, babe. Talk green or you lost, babe.